Welcome back to Beaumont's home kitchen. Today I'll be making some awesome spaghetti with Italian sausage. We'll call it Beaumont style pasta. Sort of Italian style, but also very, on the other side, very gourmet bachelor style. So mild Italian sausage meat, so we're gonna fry that up with some onions. Heat the pan up there with some sunflower oil, high temp oil, okay, into the pan. But it is good to know what type of oil you're using for specific tasks. But if you're sauteing onions, even meats and stuff, you can use olive oil, right? So that's not a problem. So I work for an Italian, I should know. But if you're searing meats and you want like a higher temp oil, that's why I use sunflower oil. So it works. I'm gonna fry up some onions first into the pan. Red onions, seasoning. So we got some salt. At the same time, we can season our pasta water. Like to see, they say, fresh cracked pepper. Saute it up. Sauteing the onions. Pasta water is happening there. Pretty exciting. Saute, saute. Translucent a little bit. And very exciting news, Beaumont's Kitchen is also doing Beaumont's Home Bar. So check out there's going to be, I'm going to do like hundreds and thousands of cocktails, so you definitely want to check that out. Just at the end of the video, I'll post a link and click up top for some of the awesome, cool, classic cocktails I'll be making. So I think cocktails and wine and beer goes good with food. So yeah, so you'll see some of that coming up. Cool. Toss our sausage meat in there with the onions. Gourmet Italian bachelor pasta, we call that. Sure, it's home cooking. It ain't stuffy. Thank you, fans. Yummy sausage. Oh yeah, looking good. Just sauteing her up there. Oh yeah, pasta water's getting happy. Perfect. See some bubbles there. Toss some carrots and leeks in there. Leeks are so flavorful. I have a thing for leeks and carrots. We got the onions in there. Oh, beautiful. Good flavor. Right on. Mix that up there. Garlic, 100 cloves or 1,000, whatever you prefer. Rosemary, sage, and thyme. Oh yeah, some nice herbs in there. Perfect. Just gonna wait until that becomes fragrant. Oh yeah. It's gonna be tasty pasta. Nothing too fancy. Just a few traditional ingredients for pasta. You don't want to overcomplicate by adding too many ingredients, but a few select ones are good. This kind of highlights the pasta. Bigger pot there. Toss some green peppers in there. Tomatoes and parsley, that's near the end. Perfect. Saute up. Oh yeah, look at that. Looking good. All right. Sizzling on the way. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful stuff there. Oh yeah, looking good. Beautiful pasta. Things are coming together nicely here. All right. Tomato basil. Oh yeah, good tomato sauce. Perfect. I don't have to add basil. Yay! Spaghetti. Oh yes, lovely spaghetti here. Boom. Spaghettini. When you toss it in the pot, it's always good to fork it. Okay, keep it forked. You don't want sticky pasta. Never a good thing. At the same time, you can stir this up. Just added some tomato sauce in there. Beautiful. And I always add some tomato soup in there. Just extends the pasta sauce a little bit. Touch of water. Kind of simmer for a bit. Spaghetti's looking happy. Lovely pasta sauce. Very colorful. Looking good. Very nice. And the spaghetti, you want it, of course, a little al dente because after you strain it and everything, with the heat, it'll continue to cook. So if you don't want to over capacity, you'll cook it until it's a little bit crunchy, but not so much. And we can toss some other seasoning there. So I'll do some onion powder. Lovely Italian seasoning. Just a little bit because we have some of the herbs in there, so we don't need a lot. Touch of cayenne pepper for a little bit of kick. When we fall past the cook, we'll have to give it a try. Toss our, near the end, you always toss your tomatoes in there. Fresh tomatoes. Parsley. That's it. Yeah, it's looking good. Oh yeah, perfect. Pasta. All done. Okay. Oh yeah, the sauce is looking good. Yeah, I'll show you the quick little simple plating. Nothing too fancy. Good to always toss your with a little bit of oil, not like a crazy amount, but a little bit, just to keeps the pasta from clumping up or anything. To make a nice plate, you just twist. They say twist the pasta a little bit. Just kind of twist it on the plate. Oh yeah, it becomes like a nice little pile of pasta. Little trick. Beaumont's awesome pasta sauce. Looking good. Yummy. Toss some lovely pasta sauce on there. Oh yeah, looking good. Smells great. Some Parmesan cheese on top. Always awesome with pasta. Gourmet Italian style bachelor pasta. Nice. Now that's my dinner. I'm hungry now. Give it a try, right? Give the pasta a try. Try to get a little bit of everything in there. Give it a go. Ooh. Oh man. Wow. That's awesome. That's like gourmet style. It's so good. Gourmet bachelor food. Thanks for watching Beaumont's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. Love ya, and we'll see you soon. And hopefully you enjoyed the awesome pasta. Who doesn't like pasta?